Hey everyone, welcome back to my tech channel. So in this video, we are going to learn some resume skills, and along with this, I'm going to walk you all through some important tips as well. So let's begin. First of all, what is resume? A resume is a brief, concise document that presents your most relevant and positive credentials for employment, admission to graduate school, consideration for a scholarship or fellowship, or other professional purpose. And what is CV? A vita or curriculum vitae, also known as curricula vitae or CV, are documents that give much more detail than does a resume about your academic and professional accomplishments. They are most often used for academic or research positions, whereas resumes are the preferred documents in business and industries. I hope now the difference between resume and CV is clear to all of you. Now let's get organized before beginning to write your resume. So first of all, you need to gather information on your past employment, employer names and addresses, and dates of employment. If you are writing your resume for the very first time, then you need to ignore this first point. Next, gather information for personal references, names and addresses. Third, research information on the employer. And the last is select a quiet area to gather your thoughts and begin working on your resume. Now, resume writing. To prepare a successful resume, you need to know how to review, summarize, and present your experiences and achievements on one page. It is a one or two page summary of your education, skills, accomplishments, and experience. Unless you have considerable experience, keep it to one page. This is really important. Your resume should include five main sections. First, personal information. Second, objective. Third, employment history. Fourth, education. And the last one is skills. Outline your achievements briefly and concisely using action words to describe your experience. Your resume gets your foot in the door. Although it's not what gets you the job, it keeps you from getting excluded from consideration. Now, most important tips. Resume should be written in objective language. Avoid using personal pronouns such as I and my. Provide an alternate number in case you are not reachable by your contact phone number. Make sure the owner of the alternate phone knows they might receive calls. Resume should always be clean and free of any errors. In the objectives section, discuss your goals and how you can help the company achieve its goals. Also describe how you are the best candidate for the job. In the employment history section, describe how you qualify for each minimum requirement listed. Be specific about where, when, and how you obtained it. Provide number of years of experiences as well. Also in the employment history section, spell names correctly and verify dates of employment. Give short but complete job descriptions, focusing on past duties which may be helpful in the new job. List only the education that is relevant to the position you want. For an example, a certificate in auto mechanics has little to do with your secretarial skills. List only relevant skills. Focus on what the employer is looking for in the candidate. For example, for a technical job, you should mention your analytical ability, great mathematical skills, etc. Now, guidelines to keep in mind. First, make your resume short, one page if possible, or two pages at most. Use action words to describe your work skills. Stress skills, knowledge, and abilities that fulfill the job requirements. Be specific about accomplishments, but do not stretch the truth. Provide information about career goals. Make it attractive. Emphasize most recent jobs. Proofread it for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. If possible, have someone else check your resume for errors. Avoid mentioning salaries or the reason for leaving the last job. The last section is most frequent resume mistakes which should be avoided. So the first one is inventing new names, self-made abbreviations, really small font sizes, wide margins with the content squeezed in, long wordy description in your objective or somewhere else, grammatical errors. I hope this video will be helpful to you while preparing your resume, maybe for the first time or whenever you are preparing your resume for your job interview. If this video is helpful, then press the like button, hit the bell icon. If you have yet not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.